Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video guys I am going to be telling you how to get a mod pack in Minecraft Java edition. Guys, before anything else, this video is sponsored by vidIQ. So vidIQ helps you in knowing stuff about YouTube videos and creating your own channel. You will know stats of videos, like the main stats, like how many people watched it, from which countries is the most interest, what's the engagement rate, etc. To sign up, go to vidiq.com slash the code 1001. Link will be on the screen and down in the description. And remember guys, the capitalization in the link matters. So let's come back to the video. So guys, first you need to do is go to curseforge.overwolf.com. So you need to have Overwolf installed. I'll tell how to install Overwolf in another video. But if you don't have it installed, it will just automatically install when you click download for Windows. So I'll just download this for Windows. Now it will ask this. So you just need to click on save. I'm saving it in my downloads. So now right here you have to click. In Google it will be in the same position. I am currently on Brave, so but it will be same position on Google. Then it will give a user account control. You need to click on yes. I think you may not have seen on right now because it doesn't record that. Anyways, after you have downloaded it, an installation panel should pop up. So right here, Overwolf will be there, and there will be many things. So right now I have two things already installed. So you will only have App Store and CurseForge. So the CurseForge is already there. You just need to click on it. There will be a circle on it that will slowly load when you install it. When you have started CurseForge, just there will be a window over here. Just full screen the window. It will give the logo of the CurseForge and the intro. Just skip the intro. Now you need to choose a game. If you have Minecraft already installed, then it will already give it right here. Else it could be anywhere in this list. So I'll just go to Minecraft, and then you don't have any mod packs right here. So you need to go to browse mod packs. So right here you'll see every mod pack in Minecraft. Like many of them may not appear while scrolling down. So for my case, I need to download. Actually, I want to download Stardew Valley. So I'll just type Stardew Valley here. You will get every mod pack. So I think I wrote the spelling wrong. Stardew. Okay. So guys, the name is actually Farming Valley. That's why it got wrong. So the name of the mod pack is Farming Valley. So guys, you need to be careful in the name of the mod pack, else it may not work. So guys, Farming Valley by Kian. This is the Farming Valley. There is a Farming Valley Lite also that just uses less space, less RAM and everything. I'm going to do the Lite. So I'll install Farming Valley Lite. It's right here. You just need to click on install. After that, the Farming Valley Lite will be installing any mod pack. It takes like 1 to 2 minutes to install. Now the mods are loading in. So guys, meanwhile it is installing. In my mod packs, you will see it installing. So guys, there are a lot of mod packs in this, like all the mod 6. This mod has almost all the mods in it. This mod pack has almost all the mods in it. So like if you want to see the mods in a mod pack, just go in it and then scroll down. There will be videos on it. In the change log, there will be uh, the version and forge version, that all. In screenshot, there will be just some screenshots. In versions, there will be all the versions of it. So guys, if you want to see what mods are in it, just click on these three dots. There will be an option for mods. If you don't have that option for mods, just there may be an overview. And if you can't see them in overview, that's because the mod pack owner hasn't approved for people to see the mods in the mod pack. So anyways guys, I think the Farming Valley is installed till now. Let's install. So once any mod is installed, you just need to click on play, hover over it, there will be an option for play, and click on the play button. So this will open the Minecraft launcher. But this time, so as you can see, I am in my account. So it will show many installations. Go to Farming Valley or whatever you have, whatever mod pack that you choose. But when you go to installations, like if you will be on this screen, If you can't see this, just go to installation. This should be there, and then there will be an in the edit there will be an option to visible for it to be visible. Anyways, I make it 19201080 for the resolution because that's my screen resolution and everything. So guys, now there will be some JVM arguments. So this should be 8192. Actually, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM, so I am assigning this 8 gigabytes of RAM. So that means 81. Actually, this is not gigabytes. This is called gigabytes. So and this 8192 is megabytes. So 1 gigabytes is equal to 1024 megabytes. Anyways, this is the thing maximum RAM. So like this is the maximum RAM that the Modpack can use, and XMS. So guys, what this XMS does is this is just the minimum RAM. Actually, not the minimum RAM. This is how much RAM it will use for booting. So like currently I have assigned it 512. So the more it is, the more faster it will boot. And here in perm size should be the same as the XMS. So now this all is done. Now I'll just click on save. So guys, it won't appear in the new installation. If it's not there, you just need to reload. And anyways guys, we are done with this. Now if I just go to my play, it will be there and I'll click on play. Anyways guys, this is it for today's video. If you like the video, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe, and I'm out. See you later.